Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and find your Binance wallet address for any cryptocurrency you are actually trying to receive or to send. So as you can see, I'm on the Binance, and as you can see, this is what Binance look like. So we have 5 icons at the bottom. This is home, markets, trade, future and wallets. What you have to do is, since you want to get your wallet address, you need to come to this wallet section, and once you come to wallet section, you can see various portfolios. This is a portfolio, but here some sections in which you can select, like we have the aim, we have the sport, we have features, and we have so many wallets. So if you are actually trying to receive cryptocurrency, you can actually come to the sport section, and once you click on sport section, you can see deposits, withdraw, transfer. So deposit, accident if you are trying to get your wallet address, withdraw as to do if you are trying to withdraw to another under account, maybe to someone's account you are trying to send money to someone or send you to consider someone, so you can actually do this withdrawal. And transfer has to do with when you are trying to transfer your cryptocurrency from the sport section to maybe futures or trial funding or margin. So let's start with the deposit. So once you click on the deposit, as you can see all the cryptocurrencies, so what you want to do is select the cryptocurrency, or you can search for the coins. Let me say, for example, I want to get my USDT. I will tap on USDT, and once I click on USDT, so screen asks me to select a network. So what you want to do is just select a network. As you can see, you've noticed, you see this suspended bandage. So always trust me as possible to take this out suspended bandage, because right now you can go ahead and get your deposits address for exchange. So you want to go ahead and click for a better network. So there are different networks. Make sure you always ask for the network the person is sending, the person which to send cryptocurrency to you. If the person asks for a Binance and BNB matching, so you can click on this Binance matching. If the person asks for run, so as you can see this ROS20, you can click on ROC20, and it's going to give you an address. You can go ahead and copy. You can simply tap on this copy and send the address wherever you want to send it. You can also go ahead and change the network if you wish by clicking this exchange arrow here. Then you can go ahead and select, and then you can simply switch to another currency as well. Let's say if someone want to send me Bitcoin through the Polygon network, I'm gonna click on Polygon network, and it's going to give me the Polygon wallet address, and you can simply again tap on this to copy. So you can see selected wallet is Spot wallet. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can find your Binance wallet address. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.